There's a saying that goes, "Don't judge a book by its cover." Well, when it comes to nutrition, there's a similar truth. Some of the tiniest foods on Earth, just simple seeds, can be true nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. And today, we'll explore 5 incredible seeds you should be eating to unlock nature's superfood potential. These tiny foods can make a massive difference in your health. Let's dive in. These tiny seeds pack a huge punch, providing more than twice the amount of omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon. But what exactly makes chia seeds so special? Well, let's start with their omega-3 content. These little seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. Omega-3s play a vital role in maintaining good health, especially in areas like the heart and brain. They help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and even decrease the risk of certain chronic diseases. Having more of these healthy fats in your diet thanks to chia seeds can significantly improve your overall well-being. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also a great source of dietary fiber, which helps keep your digestive system healthy and makes you feel full for longer, aiding in weight management. And for those following a plant-based diet, chia seeds are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. This makes them a fantastic addition to a balanced vegetarian or vegan diet. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. One of the most fascinating things about chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and expand in your stomach. This unique characteristic makes them incredibly useful in cooking and can add a pudding-like consistency to smoothies or dishes when mixed with liquid. It's a fun way to increase your fiber intake and add a nutritious element to your meals. So why wait? Start adding chia seeds to your breakfast bowls or smoothies today and enjoy the amazing health benefits these tiny seeds can bring to your life. They might be small, but they're loaded with nutrients. Let's talk about lignans. One of the most significant things about flax seeds is their high fiber content. This isn't just good for your digestive health, which plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of certain conditions like breast cancer. Grinding them is best to release these nutrients and make them easier to digest. You can sprinkle flaxseed meal over cereal or yogurt, so go ahead. Give flax seeds a try and see how these tiny seeds can benefit your health. This mineral helps regulate muscle and nerve function. Pumpkin seeds also contain a good amount of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart and brain health. And if you're a man, pumpkin seeds might be particularly beneficial for you. Sunflower seeds are another versatile and nutritious option. Additionally, sunflower seeds are rich in selenium, which is an essential trace mineral that plays a vital role in boosting the immune system and maintaining healthy thyroid function. But that's not all. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of healthy fats, including omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and heart health. They also contain a variety of other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B6, magnesium, and potassium. Sunflower seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, or use them to add crunch and flavor to stir-fries or other dishes. So, go ahead and give sunflower seeds a try. They're not only a delicious and satisfying snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your overall health. Hemp seeds are another type of seed that's gaining popularity in the health and wellness world. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients and offer a range of health benefits. One of the most impressive things about hemp seeds is that they are a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but can't produce on its own. This makes them a great option for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Hemp seeds are also a good source of healthy fats, including a perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, heart health, and overall well-being. But that's not all. Hemp seeds also contain a variety of other essential nutrients, including magnesium, zinc, and iron. These nutrients play important roles in energy production, immune function, and oxygen transport throughout the body. Hemp seeds can be easily added to your diet. You can sprinkle them over salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an ingredient in homemade granola bars or other snacks. If you're looking for a nutritious and delicious way to boost your protein intake or add variety to your diet, give hemp seeds a try. Incorporating these 5 types of seeds into your diet can have numerous benefits for your overall health. From chia seeds and flax seeds to pumpkin, sunflower, and hemp seeds, each type offers a unique set of nutrients and health benefits. But some people may be hesitant to add these seeds to their diet due to potential challenges or concerns. One challenge is that some seeds, such as sunflower and hemp, are common allergens. This means that people with allergies to these plants may need to avoid these seeds entirely. Additionally, some individuals may have difficulty digesting certain seeds, such as chia seeds, which can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. However, these issues can often be mitigated by taking precautions, such as avoiding cross-contamination with allergens and grinding the seeds to make them easier to digest. Another concern is the cost. In some regions, specialized seeds may be expensive or difficult to find. For example, hemp seeds are still relatively new to the market and may not be as readily available or affordable as other types of seeds. However, as the demand for these seeds grows, prices are likely to decrease and availability will increase. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of incorporating these seeds into your diet are significant. These seeds are packed with essential nutrients that are important for overall health, including protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. By adding these seeds to your meals, you can improve your nutrient intake and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. You can also improve your digestive health by adding fiber to your diet. Many of these seeds are high in fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation and other digestive issues. Whether you're looking to improve your nutrient intake, these 5 types of seeds are a great place to start. Try adding these seeds to your meals today and experience the amazing benefits they have to offer.